In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play background music in a Zoom meeting. If you've ever felt your Zoom meetings needed just a bit more atmosphere, or if you're hosting a virtual event and want to add a musical backdrop, you've come to the right place. Adding background music to your meetings can help set the tone and mood, making for a more engaging and enjoyable experience for everyone involved. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to start by opening up your Zoom meeting. Once you're in, direct your attention to the navigation menu at the bottom of the Zoom window. You'll notice an option labeled More. This is where we begin our journey today. Click on More, and this will pave the way to the next step. After clicking More, you'll see a drop-down or side menu appear with various options, one of which will be Apps. The Apps option is key to opening up functionalities like playing music, so go ahead and select Apps. This option will give you access to a variety of integrated applications designed to enhance your Zoom experience. Once you're in the Apps section, scroll through until you find Music. Clicking on Music here will bring up the necessary interface you need to start playing your desired tunes. You can choose from various music services that may be available through Zoom's app interface. Selecting a music app here will give you more freedom in terms of music choice and playlists. When playing music, it's crucial to adjust the volume so that it complements your meeting rather than overpowers it. You want to make sure that your participants can still hear you and anyone else speaking, so setting an appropriate volume level is essential. Locate the volume controls either within the music app itself or directly through your computer's sound settings to find the right balance. To recap, we started by clicking More in the Zoom interface, then proceeded to choose Apps. Within the apps, we clicked on Music, which then allowed us to pick and play our desired background music during the meeting. Be sure to always double check that your audio settings on Zoom are optimized for music. Zoom offers options in your audio settings to ensure high quality audio, which can be accessed from the Zoom client prior to starting your meeting. This feature is perfect for business meetings, casual get-togethers, or even virtual parties, making the entire online gathering more dynamic and engaging. So give it a try the next time you're hosting a Zoom meeting and see how the mood changes with just a touch of music in the background. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been